Hey people, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa and today I'm gonna walk you through everything that we did in our master bedroom since we moved in. Now, is it done? Not really, but it's what we have going on. To begin with, it was bright orange. So you know damn well that it had to go. Now, we did that immediately as we got the house. We painted the walls all white, removed that carpet because it needed to go, put some flooring, which if I was doing this again, I would probably not go with this flooring, but you know, we can live with this. The first decision that we had was our king size bed. We wanted a king size bed, even though it clearly didn't really fit in the, priorities. Either I had a nightstand or a king size bed. So since the bed was gonna take up basically this whole wall, I wanted to make it a little more intentional and give it a little, something, because it was very bland. That is what we decided to do, and we got straight to work. I started to tape around everywhere I wanted to paint. I still haven't decided. I kind of want to maybe go back and paint the sides as well, but let me know in the comments what you think. So I taped everything, went over just around the tape with the same color as the wall. That's supposed to help so the black paint won't smear through the tape, but I'm gonna update you on that later on. For now, once the white was dry, I just went over it with the black all around the corners with a brush, and then I finished it up with just the normal roll. And I removed the tape. Obviously, it didn't work all around. It did, but some spots it missed, so I just went over it with a small brush, just touching up the white paint. So now, while this is drying, we need to cut this plywood to make the pieces that we're gonna put on the wall. We just cut it into a bunch of 1-inch strips. And as if that wasn't enough, I spent my whole life sanding all of them because we needed them to be smooth. After that, it was time to stain them, and we used this special walnut stain. And there was no secret here, just spent my whole life again just staining each one of them. By now you're probably asking how many lives I have, but let me tell you, I spent another one putting this polyurethane coat on just to seal it. And I don't know how you say this word, but you get what I mean. Now here's something that I would definitely do differently. We used construction adhesive and nails to hold the wood in place. Now, I have heard that construction adhesive will damage your wall whenever you want to change. I don't know, if you want to take this down. If I were to redo this, I probably wouldn't use the adhesive, but the fact is, I did use, so pray for me whenever I want to change this design here. So we put all of them up, and as a spacer we just used another piece same size, that way we had the same space between them. And then, as you can see, on the middle of this wall there is this box. It's actually an access to that back thing there, and since the bed was gonna go in front of this, I was like, there's no point of me cutting the little pieces to put in front of this panel. So I just cut the pieces so that it would fit right above that little box. Now here's a tip. When you are cutting them, if you use tape like we're doing here, you get a perfect crisp cut. Look at this. Beautiful. This part is pretty much self-explanatory. I put all the pieces up, and then, since our nightstand wasn't really a normal size, it wouldn't fit a lamp, so we decided to put 2 pendant lights, one in each side. We just got a normal one from Amazon, but we didn't have electricity here, so we just installed it without doing any of the wiring, and then we used puck lights so that we could turn it on and off with the control. There is a better option nowadays because it's just like a normal bulb, but it is rechargeable. I'll make sure to link anything that I can find in the description. I'm gonna be honest here, I still haven't gotten to that point that I make my bed every single day. I do wish I had, but not yet. However, to show the results of this wall, we obviously need this bed looking like a hotel bed. I do have some nice bedding, and that's what we're gonna put right now. I used 2 of them to make it extra fluffy. And to finish it up, I used this wrinkle releaser spray and just go all over it with my hands. It doesn't remove all of it, but it helped a lot. And I just love how it looks. Now let me just show you how it was looking a little while ago, because I used to have my makeup table besides the bed, but now I have a mini fridge, so I moved the makeup table to the other wall and I have the mini fridge there. I do prefer how it was looking before, but your girl needs her water at night, so we gotta do what we gotta do. Anyways, let me just show you how the room is looking right now, and a little tour, and also show you the before and after, because it's just unbelievable. So I hope you enjoyed this video showing a little bit of the process that we have until now. And if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and if you feel like hanging around, consider watching this next video, because I think you're gonna love it. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.